Marshalltown's product development team has their sights on a game changer. We do our homework. We study the competition. We talk to the pro. We field test, field test, field test. We know it might take years to find perfection, but in the end, we give the contractor what they want. With the DuoTex sprayer, Marshalltown has done it again. How did Marshalltown make the DuoTex the best on the market in its class? Features. Of course, we have all the standards contractors are used to, like a comfortable cast aluminum gun with a 2-finger locking trigger for less fatigue. Also standard are a 2-in-1 reinforced plastic hose and a smooth running material pump. Now let's talk about those features. Let's start with the hopper. Sure, it holds 16 gallons to keep you going on the job. It lacks square corners to make cleaning easier. But what sets it apart is the sealable lid. If you have a job coming up in the next few days, simply lock the lid in place and your mud will stay ready to use. Just clean the gun and the exterior of the machine and move on. Are you doing a remodel with no place to clean up? Lock the lid into place and enjoy a spill-free drive back to your shop for cleaning. Also integrated into the hopper is a bucket rest. When it's time to reload, why stand around emptying a bucket? Just drop the bucket on the rest and walk away. Looking for that perfect texture? Are you tired of sacrificing material flow just to get more airflow? The DuoTex features separate air and material pressure regulators. Spray anything from a fog to the finest orange peel to the heaviest knockdown with ease. The DuoTex gives you the versatility of a large spray rig in a compact unit. And speaking of versatility, we've added an air tank to the DuoTex to allow it to be used as a standalone air compressor. Why? Because it's easy and it just makes sense. Have a little touch-up work to do? Why dirty your entire sprayer? Just hook up a hopper gun and get in and out quickly. While field testing, we constantly found drywallers struggling to find a place to set their mud pans while wiping walls. Why not build a mud pan holder into the DuoTex? Also integrated into the mud pan holder is a splash guard, which helps keep overspray off the gauges and regulators on the control panel. Speaking of storage, we found onboard storage compartments could get very noisy when in use. Marshalltown added a bag to store tips, atomizers, cleaning sponges, you name it. No matter what the piece of equipment is, there isn't a worse way to start your day than with a flat tire. The DuoTex features 10-inch flat-free rear tires. Also standard is a front swivel caster. Move the sprayer around when full, never worrying about spilling or tipping the machine backwards. We understand getting your DuoTex where it needs to be isn't always as simple as it seems. Lifting in and out of trucks and dealing with steps can be a pain. Marshalltown added several features to the DuoTex that make getting your DuoTex to, from, and around the job site a breeze. Forward-facing handles and recessing the frame around the tires make lifting up steps a much easier task. Removing the side panels from the DuoTex for maintenance or repair requires no tools. Simply remove the 4 thumb screws on each panel, providing a multitude of functions not found anywhere else. The DuoTex is the most affordable way to get impeccable results and unrivaled build quality in one consolidated unit. Marshalltown quality is apparent all the way through. Contact your dealer or visit marshalltown.com for more information. Marshalltown, the leader of the industry since 1890.